These are the steps on how to remove an old or expired Unipass certificate from your machine. So for this one, we're going to be using Google Chrome, but if you use Microsoft Edge to collect your certificate, you can still follow these steps. So to start off, just click on the three dots at the top right and go down to Settings, and then Security and Privacy on the left, and then Security again, and you'll need to scroll down and select the option for Manage Certificates. And this will bring up the box with your Unipass certificates in there. The one that you're looking for is issued by OregoRoot CA-G3. As you can see, we have a number of them here, and so if you extend the expiration date, you can see that this one is actually expired. So highlight the appropriate certificate and then click Remove down the bottom, and this box will appear and you just need to click Yes to that. And as you can see, that will actually remove your certificate from your device. So all you need to do now is click Close, and then if you restart the browser, you should only have your valid certificates in there.